Dear spectators, what is radio? Actually, radio is the technology of communicating using radio waves. Dear spectators, now the question, what is radio waves? Then, radio waves are the electromagnetic waves of frequency between 3 Hz to 300 GHz. They are generated by an electronic device called a transmitter connected to an antenna which radiates the waves. They can be received by other antennas connected to a radio receiver. This is the fundamental principle of radio communication. In addition to communication, radio is used for radar, radio navigation, remote control, remote sensing, and other applications. In radio communication, used in radio and television broadcasting, cell phones, two-way radios, wireless networking, and satellite communication, among numerous other uses in different operations. Radio waves are used to carry information across space from a transmitter to a receiver by modulating the radio signal, impression and information signal on the radio wave by varying some aspects of wave in the transmitter. In radar, used to locate and track objects like aircraft, ships, spacecrafts and missiles. A beam of radio waves emitted by a radar transmitter reflects of the target object, and the reflected waves reveal the object's location to a receiver that is typically located with the transmitter. In radio navigation systems such as GPS or VOR, a mobile navigation instrument receives radio signals from multiple navigational radio beacons whose position is known, and by precisely measuring the arrival time of the radio waves, the receiver can calculate its position on Earth. In wireless radio remote control device like drones and keyless entry systems, radio signals transmitted from a controller device control the actions of a remote device. The existence of radio waves was first proven by German physicist Heinrich Hertz. Heinrich Hertz on 12 November 1886. In the third 1890s, building on techniques physicists were using to study electromagnetic waves, Italian physicist Guglielmo Marconi developed the first apparatus for long-distance radio communication, sending a wireless Morse code message to a recipient over a kilometer away in 1895. The first transatlantic signal on 12 December 1901. The first commercial radio broadcast was transmitted on 2nd November 2020, when the live returns of the Harding-Cox presidential election were broadcast by Westinghouse Electric and Manufacturing Company in Pittsburgh under the cell sign KDK.